Good afternoon, this is Emma. Today's video is Tablescape Tuesday. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Emma Sticks Adventure. So come along with me as I show you my tablescape for Tuesday. I have went with a mixed metal tablescape, and here you can see I have the gold charger with the clear plate here, and I have the center plate is white with gold. The napkin ring is silver, and the napkin is gold. The fork and knife also gold. My centerpiece, I have one white flower in a vase. I have my Goodwill candle holders. I did a video on those today. The glasses here are Macoska. They were also purchased from Goodwill. In the center, I have added a few crystals. And my vase with the flowers. As we look at this place setting for the head of the table, I have added a silver charger with a clear plate, and the salad plate is white trimmed with silver. I have the silver knife and fork. I also did a silver napkin with the napkin ring. So what I've done here, I've totally mixed the table up with the metals, and you all know I love mixing metals. Hope I've given you some ideas today on your tablescape. If you would, hit like and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in my next video.